A LRB, a Wise Frontier e a Intsis são um grupo informal de empresas.
A Intsis nasce em 2000. Somos essencialmente uma empresa especializada em sistemas.
A WFR é uma empresa que nasceu em 2012. É uma empresa que se dedica à comercialização de sistemas e soluções de segurança que são completamente adaptadas a cada cliente e em que não há duas soluções iguais.
A LRB é uma consultora atípica. Presta consultoria em todas as áreas tradicionais da consultoria, que tem áreas de técnicas muito específicas, como é o caso do ambiente, dos sistemas de informação geográfica, cadastros, etc. Tem uma área de soluções, que é a área mais criativa, que calhar é a área onde ela se integra melhor e toca mais de perto com a Wise Frontier e com a Intsis, são áreas de soluções abrangentes. E é uma empresa de trading, de mediação de negócios, que faz captação de investimento e mediação de negócios para Portugal e Angola.
Nós, a nível internacional, trabalhamos só diretamente com banca. Há 10 anos fomos para Angola. Hoje, em Angola, lideramos toda a banca. A seguir fomos para Moçambique e hoje voltamos a liderar Moçambique na área da banca. Estamos em Cabo Verde, lideramos a banca em Cabo Verde. E isto demonstra que o caminho que seguimos até agora é um caminho contínuo, não é um caminho que parou, não, tem que ser contínuo. E para isso estamos neste momento a abrir novos desafios em Santo Tomé, no Ghana, e claramente daqui a 5 anos o nosso objetivo é estar na África Central.
Há uma vertente nova nesta empresa, chama-se WFR Race, tem a ver com o automobilismo. Foi de facto um desafio que nos foi lançado o ano passado e que em pouco mais de um mês conseguimos construir uma solução que se adapta e que é inovadora. Neste momento é a única solução no mercado. Foi de facto um desafio, não só pelo tempo, mas também porque as empresas do mercado são muito especializadas e nós conseguimos de facto apresentar uma solução inovadora em muito pouco tempo.
Na nossa área mais complexa é fazer a integração em grandes companhias de tudo o que gira dentro da área de tecnologias de informação com os sistemas de informação. E aqui é que está claramente o nosso posicionamento. Temos que trabalhar, como era evidente, com os maiores fabricantes mundiais na área de tecnologias de informação. Nós somos parceiros da IBM, da EMC, da Cisco, da NetApp e fazemos integração de soluções à medida para cada cliente. As empresas são feitas com pessoas, apostamos essencialmente nos recursos humanos.
Os equipamentos que usamos para as nossas soluções são equipamentos de detecção de intrusão, que vulgarmente é conhecido por sistemas de alarme, a detecção de incêndio, os sistemas de videovigilância, o controle de acessos de pessoas e viaturas, ao fim e ao cabo, todos os componentes que são de facto necessários para termos a segurança das instalações.
O maior desafio da LRB até hoje, e que será seguramente o maior desafio da LRB em todo o seu período de existência, é a multiplicidade de áreas em que intervém. Especializada em ambiente, especializada em SIGs, especializada em mediação de negócios, especializada em desenvolvimento de projeto. Explicar que isto pode ser feito numa só empresa, com vários departamentos que funcionam articulados entre si, é o seu maior desafio.
O grande objetivo da Intsis é fazer um acompanhamento muito perto em todos os projetos em que os clientes estão envolvidos. Nestes últimos 15 anos não perdeu um cliente, só ganha clientes. Isto demonstra claramente a capacidade que a Intsis tem, precisamente porque aposta em recursos humanos de alta qualidade.
Nós esperamos daqui a 5 anos que os clientes que hoje temos nos continuem a encarar como parceiros. Isso é muito bom sinal. E a 5 anos temos a certeza que esses mesmos parceiros nos vão trazer de facto relações duradouras.
Temos um cliente que chegou à nossa beira e nos pediu uma fábrica de rolos de papel. Nós pegamos em todos os elementos necessários para que uma fábrica de rolos de papel exista e tornámo-lo real. A primeira reação normal quando se pede a uma consultora para fazer uma coisa do género, monte uma fábrica de papel, e depois a seguir vem a pergunta lógica, mas já alguma vez fez isso? Nós dizemos não, mas somos capazes de fazer. Nós no fundo recriamos modelos. Nós sistematizamos negócios, sistematizamos processos, todos os pontos de vista que têm a ver com a gestão das empresas, apesar de cada uma ter a sua autonomia, têm sócios comuns, têm uma visão do mercado comum e com essa visão do mercado comum, usando as suas valências diferentes, pretendemos no fundo poder prestar um serviço e criar um produto muito mais abrangente, que vá de encontro muito mais às necessidades que os clientes do século XXI têm, que são muito menos focadas e muito mais diversificadas, tendo em conta a forma como hoje em dia temos que agir nos mercados.
How can you stand out from the crowd and grab customer attention? The key is to innovate, not just with your products and services, but with your internal processes too. To help their organizations get ahead, IT professionals must do 3 things. Provide new services to boost productivity and innovation. Simplify IT to accelerate key business processes. Reduce costs to free resources for value-adding activities. In a world shaped by customer self-service, multi-channel experiences, and instant access to information, innovation is critical to businesses. Whether it's coming up with new and exciting products or refining and improving internal processes, innovation can be the difference between success and failure. For IT, this means simplifying infrastructures and providing the capabilities that are needed to innovate with confidence. A complex IT environment can slow critical processes across the enterprise. This can be a major issue when you're trying to react quickly to changing market, technology, and customer demands. Systems built from varied components can cause interoperability issues, leaving applications and devices struggling to share and process critical data. The results are lower efficiency, less agility, and higher costs. With higher costs come fewer available resources and fewer chances to add business value and get ahead of the competition. IT organizations are looking for a way to resolve all of these issues with a single solution. The answer lies in engineered systems. Enterprise systems, much like employees, must be flexible and simple to manage, should bring new capabilities that aid innovation, must work together seamlessly with minimal friction, must be hardworking, and deliver a high level of performance. Oracle understands the importance of system integration and the impact that it can have on the modern organization. By pre-integrating and co-engineering every component of its engineered systems, Oracle provides complete solutions that can simplify IT, reduce management workloads, cut running costs and free up resources for innovation projects, accelerate time to market. Thousands of customers worldwide have already discovered the Oracle difference. It begins with total interoperability and consistency, continues with extreme performance and extensive functionality, and extends all the way to comprehensive support for perfect peace of mind. Organizations driven by innovation need confidence in their systems, and that's what Oracle delivers every step of the way. Visit the Oracle website now or get in touch with an Oracle rep to learn more about engineered systems and discover how they could help your organization cut costs, reduce complexity, and accelerate innovation.
We used to think of a server as a box. It ran a business application, took up space, and if we needed more capacity, we bought another one, and another, and another. Soon we began to worry more about the boxes than the business services they were supposed to provide. Then we got smart. We started thinking of servers as a virtual resource we can pool and share to meet changing business needs. This helped us drive down power and management costs by up to 80% through consolidation. And we were able to free up people and resources to make our organizations more innovative and competitive. But we can get even more benefits if we virtualize our storage as well. Without storage virtualization, more than half of the capacity in our data centers sits idle. These boxes take up space, waste power, and get in the way of business performance, impacting everything from IT budgets to administrator productivity to customer satisfaction. It's time to rethink your storage. IBM Storage Virtualization Solutions are designed to let you manage storage the same way you manage virtual servers. Now you can pool and share resources to immediately boost storage utilization by up to 30%, reduce management costs, and deploy new storage quickly and easily. And storage virtualization brings advanced capabilities to older systems to extend the life of the storage you have. The IBM solution helps manage all the storage in your data center, regardless of manufacturer or type, from a single, easy-to-use console. It gives storage the flexibility and mobility to keep up with your organization's changing needs, and it automates many administrative tasks so IT staff can work on higher-value projects. IBM Virtualized Storage Management can be used with IBM disk systems to help you achieve up to 90% utilization without disrupting service levels. These solutions are self-tuning and are designed to analyze, adapt, and improve application performance. They can eliminate storage hotspots automatically and even heal themselves, all with a central management tool that makes storage administration simple with greater visibility, automation, and control. Don't get boxed in. Combining server and storage virtualization not only drives down capital and operational expenses, it unleashes IT to help your organization innovate and compete. And a complete virtualized infrastructure prepares you for all the benefits of cloud computing. Expect more from your storage. Find out how IBM Storage Virtualization can have an immediate impact on your organization today. Visit us online.
Is your organization still using pre-printed forms? Still diverting expensive programmers' time to customize documents and reports from your ERP and accounting software? Still printing and distributing hard copies of documents and reports by mail? Still using binders for archiving? If you answered yes to any of these questions, Interform can help. Interform's drag-and-drop design tool allows non-programmers to customize document templates fast and easy. Create any kind of documents like invoice, delivery note, pick lists, or labels aligned with your corporate identity. With the Interform suite of solutions, you have a wide range of output possibilities. Interform streamlines your document output and distribution, enabling you to get rid of your expensive pre-printed forms and inefficient paper-based processes. Interform allows you to capture, index, and store document output automatically into your existing document management system or into Interform's own archive solution. Through our scan module, hard copy documents can also easily be stored. Search and retrieval of documents is made easy for both internal and external authorized users using your preferred browser. Electronic archiving provides instant access to documents and reduces both the physical space needed for archiving and time consumption for manual archiving and retrieval. Thousands of licenses have been sold worldwide in a broad range of industries. To learn more, visit our website at interform400.com.
That doesn't begin to tell the story. In an environment where data is rushing at you from all sides, mobile is transforming the landscape, and the cloud is creating new opportunities for efficient IT, the new normal is rapid and constant innovation. Power8 is not just set out to redefine Linux and Unix infrastructure solutions for the world as we know it. It has created a multi-lane launching pad for the next generation. Central to Power8, the open platform that serves as an entirely new way of doing business designed to support an open ecosystem of ideas, innovation, and investment. Power8 is within reach. IBM Power Systems 1 or 2 socket Linux servers deliver 2 times the speed and agility of anything else out there, along with 58% lower acquisition costs and a 66% reduction in infrastructure. No matter how you look at costs, here's the bottom line. Hardware costs about the same, and the box does more, at least 2 times more. With higher performance per core, you'll need fewer cores, fewer software licenses, and you can count on lower costs per workload. And your investment will serve as the foundation for ongoing innovation and upgrades. Power8's innovative CAPI Flash, cache, and bandwidth are among the many features that have dismantled yesterday's perceptions about costs and are forever transforming business as we know it.
So, you've set up your IT environment just the way you want it. Your users are happy, everyone has access, and all services and applications are working fine. Now, how do you keep them that way? And think about this. As your company grows, there'll be added infrastructure, new apps to manage, and new users who'll need varying types of access. It can be difficult to foresee all the ways in which your smoothly running environment might be disrupted. And constantly reacting to those problems means you won't have time to think strategically about how to improve overall performance and better support your company's business objectives. Wouldn't it be great to have a V-expert on your team who could tell you when things require attention and also give you guidance what to do next and the option to take care of issues the way you want? But wait, what if your team can't hire additional staff? Take a look at VMware vSphere with Operations Management. It gives you the world's most trusted virtualization platform, enhanced with consistent management, so you can get the most performance, availability, and utilization out of your infrastructure and applications. It makes data center management simple and fun again. Predictive analytics automatically evaluate and correlate all your monitoring and log data, from apps to storage, to identify potential issues. So you don't have to spend time constantly putting out fires. You get better reliability and availability with fault tolerance, data protection, and long-distance vMotion. And the self-learning management tools quickly adapt to what's normal for your environment, meaning far fewer false alerts. vSphere with Operations Management makes the best use of your resources by automatically balancing workloads. It also offers remediation guidance, policies, and customizable workflows, so you can safely automate more tasks in IT processes. Predefined configurations and templates help enforce standards to ensure compliance, taking away the grunt work of having to stay on top of these issues yourself. And with an extensive marketplace of third-party integrations and management packs for Microsoft, Oracle, Cisco, and many more, you get comprehensive visibility into all your infrastructure and applications in one place. vSphere with Operations Management. It's like having a V-expert on your team that takes care of day-to-day tasks and frees up your time for more strategic projects. Your boss and your team will thank you for it. To learn more about how VMware vSphere with Operations Management can help achieve your unique business needs with better insights and better IT, visit vmware.com.
Meet Dave, the IT guy. Once upon a time, Dave was at peace with his network. But one day, Dave's network began to change. His users went mobile, and their apps moved to the cloud. They guzzled bandwidth everywhere, and from so many devices, Dave couldn't keep count. Dave's users had shiny new devices and slick web apps, but Dave had to serve them with the same old networking technology, which meant buying more boxes and navigating an endless list of configuration settings, software packages, and modules. It was expensive and complex. There was no budget to hire more people and no time to go off for training. It all fell on Dave to figure it out. So, when Ray in accounting was streaming Netflix all day, a visitor in the lobby opened a laptop riddled with viruses, Nancy from the New York office couldn't get online, and the CEO couldn't read email on his iPad, it was all on Dave. Then Dave heard about Meraki. You see, back in the day, some brainiacs at MIT set out to build a really big network that ran itself. They developed a totally new network architecture, which we now call cloud networking. They knew they were onto something big, so they left MIT and started Meraki. Today, Meraki makes a complete family of networking products, from wireless LANs to routers and even security appliances. These have really powerful hardware, so they can handle all the devices and applications on today's networks, without needing a million other boxes. They're quick to install and easy on the eye too. But what's really clever is that Meraki's hardware is controlled from the cloud. Meraki has data centers all over the world, and every piece of Meraki hardware stays connected to these data centers over the internet. So now, the headaches Dave used to deal with are taken care of automatically from the cloud. Dave uses Meraki's simple browser-based dashboard to tell the network what he wants, and the cloud takes care of the rest. Dave has the capacity his users need and can manage security policies, applications, and users without stacks of boxes, costly training, new staff, or 1,000-page manuals. In schools and universities, hospitals, hotels, businesses, and factories, thousands of IT professionals like Dave have switched to Meraki. Finally, a network that simply works.